Hello, my author friends. I'm so excited to share something new with you. I'm Tamara Monosoff, and I help my authors publish and launch their books. And now I am helping you get your audiobooks done quickly so that you can launch them on Audible and Amazon with a human narrator. I have created a course for you that is so simple, and I show you behind the scenes. In fact, I go right through the step-by-step process of setting up an ACX account, finding a qualified professional narrator to get your audiobook done that maybe you've been putting off for way too long. If you put it off, people can't benefit from what you have to teach them, and you're also leaving money on the table. There are $2.22 billion in audiobook sales in 2024 in the United States. So it's time for you to get your audiobook out there. So you can see I have just this very organized, easy, short video course for you. And also going through the process so that you get your audio files approved immediately and you're able to successfully publish and launch your book out into the world. So jump in, grab this. I've made this really easy for you so you can no longer put it off. I'm going to save you thousands of dollars, literally, on how to get this done and get your audiobook out into the world.